and welcome to Sports Fear. Well, this quarantine and lockdown has hit our lives really hard. Of course, I'm not going to talk about how we guys are passing our time because we pretty much know that already. Actually, I wanted to make the knock one of Sports Fear a bit off the mark. And so I decided I won't start it with cricket. So, which sport are we going to talk about today? Okay, I'll give you two hints and you guys try and guess it. Hint number one. This sporting couple have tied the knot on December 2018. They play the same sport and this is the sport we are going to talk about today. Yeah, mushkil tha. Hint number two. One of the successful players of this game is the father to the Bollywood diva. Well, I know I have made it too obvious, but for those who haven't yet guessed it, socho. Yes, it's the racket sport badminton. India is at the cusp of becoming the world badminton powerhouse with our champion player PV Sindhu getting the first ever gold medal at the BWF World Championship 2019 and Sai Pranith winning the silver medal after the wait of 36 long years. He becomes the only second player to win a medal for men's category after the great Prakash Padukone. Well, the recent edition of the Commonwealth Games 2018 at the Gold Coast was a huge success for Indian badminton, with our mixed team winning a gold, the all-time champ of the sport, Saina Nehwal, clinching her gold medal, PV Sindhu winning the silver medal for women's single, and yes, Sai Pranith winning the silver medal for the men's single. There were another silver and bronze medal for the doubles team, which was won by Satvik Sairaj Chirag Shetty and Ashwini Ponnappa and Sikki Reddy. Well, all we can say is nothing. अब इन champions को आप क्या ही बोलोगे? Well, what's happening with badminton at this moment is the national coach of Indian badminton team, Pulela Gopichan, is making it sure that the girls are making most of this time. He's keeping in touch with the players through WhatsApp. He's messaging them, he's instructing them. Well, you can of course expect this amount of determination coming from Gopi. Well, creating one world champion after another is a real job and this man is pro at it. Well, हमारा तो हम जानते हैं कि all those who can work from home are already working from home. But क्या आपने ये सोचा है एक sports person के लिए work from home क्या होगा? Well, the nation number one Aaron and his partner Wo Yeek from Malaysia have never beaten the top 5 teams of the world. वो होता है ना last ball जीतने के लिए 1 रन और थोड़े से के लिए batsman run out. 2019 World Cup की याद आ गई. Well, yes, these two have said that they are going to make most of this time sit and analyze and hit the courts harder. क्या सिर्फ बैडमिंटन प्लेयर्स बैडमिंटन खेलना मिस कर रहे हैं? Well, yes. हम भी अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ बैडमिंटन खेलना काफ़ी मिस कर रहे हैं बट देयर इज़ अ क्रिकेटर हु इज़ मिसिंग बैडमिंटन. वेल, आई एम नॉट प्लेइंग द हिंट गेम अगेन. इट्स द वाइट वॉकर चेतेश्वर पुजारा. He says that he enjoys playing badminton at weekends. He loves to play with his wife. He also likes to play with Jaydev Unadkat because he feels that Jaydev Unadkat knows the game quite well. He also says that he doesn't let his opponent win easily and is on the court for a long time. Well, Cheteshwar, we knew that you could stand on the ground for like really long, but आप court में भी ये कर सकते हो, ये हमें आज पता चला. Well, this brings me to the last segment of Knock 1, the player to look out for. Often, the sports makes so many names famous, but then there are exceptions who make the sport famous. Yes, I'm talking about the legend of the game, Sir Prakash Padukone. Badminton was hardly in the picture in India, but this man became the first ever Indian to win the All England title in 1980. Also, he became the first Indian to win the world number 1 title. And this became the catalyst for the rise of Indian badminton. जब हम बैडमिंटन की हिस्ट्री की बात करते हैं, then 1980 is taken as a mark. Before 1980, people hardly knew what badminton was. But after 1980, When Sir Prakash Padukone went on to make India proud in badminton, people started following this sport. They started knowing the sport. Well, today we see champions coming out in this sport. But it is because of this man who has set the benchmarks high, considering sky as his limit. From playing in marriage halls to making the country proud, his career is the proud history of Indian badminton. Well, this demands for a word from the man himself. Hear it out.
My father told me when I was very young that this is all you have, like the wedding hall or whatever. So focus on things which are under your control, and this is all you will get. Don't ask for anything more. Don't say that if I have the Indonesian, what facilities they have, a Chinese coach, a Japanese racket, and some others infrastructure what they have in Europe. You will not get any of these. This is all you have. Yet you have to be the best in the world.
Well, with this, we conclude the knock one of the sports sphere. Until we meet next time, stay safe, stay home, stay healthy, and keep up the sportsman spirit.